My experience of PowerProv today was really fun. I felt it was a really good bonding experience with my colleagues. So some people I'd met before, but others I had not, and I think now I know them quite well. Got a chance to experience their different levels of communication, and that was really fun, through lots of great games and good prompts and ideas. I think it was really great. And it was really easy to get started. We didn't really need any prior knowledge or anything like that. We didn't need any improv experience, and the team led us through the examples really well. If you're thinking about doing this, definitely give it a go, and I think bring all levels of the team along, not just junior people. I think it's good for juniors as well as seniors and things like that.
Cool. In 3 words, how was today for you?
A bonding experience.
Awesome.